Welcome back to Mermaid Bay Tarot. I'm Becca, and I wanted to share an unboxing with you this evening. This is super exciting for me, and I hope it is for you. This was a US Games sale they had around Black Friday week, and I figured for my birthday for December, this is something I've wanted for a really long time. It was on my wish list, and I was super excited to get it. I got the Tea Leaf Fortune Cards by Rae Hepburn, illustrated by Shawna Alexander. So it's a US Games System printing. It includes 200 round circle and 98 page guidebook. And I think it was going for 32 something on their website. I think Amazon might have it for a little bit more, but it was 25% off, so I got it for about $24.72, which was a really good deal. So I'm super excited. So let's see, this is copyrighted 2011, 2016, 3.25 inch diameter round cards, 182 symbol cards, 12 month cards, 6 astral house cards. There's a drawing bag for mixing the cards, and the 98 page guidebook. With tea leaf fortune cards, Rae Hepburn, an accomplished tea leaf reader, teaches you to unlock the ancient secrets of reading tea leaves. Follow a few simple guidelines, and you can immediately read your fortune using this fascinating method. So I'm super excited. Woo. Let's see. This set offers an innovative system for reading 200 beautifully illustrated round cards depicting the traditional tea leaf symbols. So there's a guidebook with in-depth instructions for divining and the future and using tea leaves and the tea leaf cards. So it's super cute. It has like a little cutout here, so you open it up like this, and there's a really, really pretty book that looks like it's a good size. I'm not sure the exact sizing of this. This is probably like maybe 7.5 inches or something by 5 inches. So it's a nice size little book. So here's the little bag, or should I say big bag, big organza bag. If you wanted to like put the cards in and like kind of shuffle them up that way. Let's see. And then we've got purple and red. I don't know if there's any other colors. I think there might be another color. So months of the year are purple. Astral houses are like a green. Tea leaves are all red. And let's see, these are all red too. So these are more tea leaves. And it's got 2 little box sides to put your tea leaves in. And let's see. What does it say? So there's a brief history of tea leaf reading, the development of the fortune card, traditional tea leaf reading methods, divining your fortune using tea leaf fortune cards, the coming year, the coming week, the astral house pyramid method, tea leaf symbols and their meanings, and about the author and artist. So I haven't gotten into this yet. If you want to pause it and read it. I'm not the best reader since I have dyslexia, so I do apologize. I try not to do too much reading. I tend to skip around on the lines and things. From healing brew to priceless social drink. How tea got its name. Tea travels the world. The development of tea leaf fortune cards. Kind of get the idea. Traditional methods. Now I do have some friends that do this, and they have so much fun doing it. I've never done it, but I think it's really cool. And of course you like see that part in the Harry Potter movies where they're doing the tea divining. So There's a lot to delve into, it looks like. Some different spreads. Sample readings. Symbols. And then it just goes more in depth. So let's get to the cards because I'm super excited for that. So here's the months of the year. Let's see everything. Pretty. And I love how soft the colors are. Like, they look like they're tea stained to me. And the artwork is just really beautiful and soft and kind of almost watercolor-ish. Cherry blossoms. Lily of the Valley, so pretty. February winds, January Jack Frost cold. So then we've got astral houses, so your career, your wealth, success, happiness, marriage, love. I'll put that up there and see if we can. So these are all the tea leaves. I'm really kind of, and it's got little sayings. So you got younger woman, dealings or relationship with a younger woman, younger man. Oh, like your yoke is heavy, your burdens, feeling tied down and frustrated. Wish granted. Ooh, that's a good one. These are just so beautiful. I love them. Turkey, someone's behaving so dumb. So funny. Uh-oh. There you go. There's a tower. Oh, this is interesting. It's solid foundation, success with effort. So it's not like in the tarot where the tower is like things breaking down and falling apart and starting over new and interesting. Slow but steady. Kind of gets their little tortoise. He's so cute. I can see how these could really add to your readings. Hitting the target. Celebrating. Got the sunrise and sun. Got the star. Ooh, like the hermit with the staff. Heartache. These are a lot of images to, like if you were to remember them all and look for them in your tea leaf, these are a lot to think about. Reconciliation with pineapple. I wonder why it means that. Like some of these are obvious, like the pig. Be aware of greed. Be aware of great pride with the peacock. Older woman. Older man. Oops. A wish will be granted. We got mountain road and mountain. You are on the road to success and major challenge to overcome. Pretty. Get another pile here. Pretty. I've always wanted to play the harp. And I also would love to have a gong for our garden. An exciting event. How cool. Look at the little fox. Can't see through the forest. Muddled and unclear thinking. Oh, like the Bluebird of Happiness. You know the movie? It's probably even called that. Searching for the Bluebird. Bluebird of Happiness. It's an old-timey movie. I think Shirley Temple's in it. I love that movie. He's like fair-haired. Trusting your intuition. Hearing good news. Well, that's interesting for the dragon. I love dragons, and they are about protection, usually. This one is about being aware of self-delusion. Interesting. What's this one? A blank one? That's interesting. Maybe you can write on that one. Okay, so probably like light-haired, dark-haired. Wonder if they have redhead. I've got naturally red hair. Interesting. These guys will eat everything in my garden if I let them. A change is coming. Just planted our carrots today. Can't wait for them to grow. Did rainbow carrots. Rainbow carrots today. Oh. It looks like it addresses like all aspects of life, which is really, I mean, with this many cards, is like sounds really, really good. People coming, people going, broken hearts, disappointment, love, money, success, climbing the ladder, friends and family, gifts, wishes, someone thinking of you, admirers. News, packages, announcements, good fortune. And the last one is angel, spiritual guidance, protection from harm. That is beautiful. Is there like a quick spray we could do? I guess so. They just have like a quick one, I guess. The coming year, the coming week, and your astral house. But I think that's all different methods. Well, I'm gonna have to read a little more into it, but we've got just months of the year. So you can, I know you can like, okay, so it's December. We can just like pick, okay, we're going to do December. And then these are the astral houses. So let's just kind of shuffle them around and pick one. So we got marriage in December. Somebody might be getting proposed to. Or this might be about your marriage. And then I don't know how easily these shuffle. I think you'd have to shuffle them. My hands are too big, I think, to shuffle them this way. They're too small. So, okay, let's try just overhand. Ask our spirits and angels to guide us for a quick reading for December. Got a funnel. Ooh, they are a little slippery. This one wants to come out. Feather. Personal, period of frustration, lessons to be learned. Oh no. Some of you know, someone you know is not dependable and insincere. Ooh, that's not good. Let's see if we have anything good for December. Spirits and angels, please guide us. We got the gavel. Involvement with the law. Oh my goodness. So much is going on for somebody. Seems like a bad reading, but not really when you think about it, because there's another card. Lessons learned. We can always learn something from whatever is going on in our life. Oh, look, we got the beetle. So we got good fortune is on its way after we deal with the fact that someone is not dependable and they're insincere, which if you listen to your intuition and your gut, you probably already know that somebody is, just not, it has your best interest at heart and things like that, and that, whatever, and they're not someone that's super close to you. And then involvement with the law, that could be, either you're doing something wrong and you need to deal with that matter, or something has happened and you are dealing with the law in some type of matter of what's going on. Now, personally, I'm trying not to even talk about it publicly. We have some things going on with the loss of our daughter. We're still having her death investigated. So we've had people that were undependable and insincere around us. It's affected us, and we don't know if we're going to hear news in December or not. So, and if we don't, it'll probably be up to another 3 more months before we do find out something. So with the little beetle here, that gives me hope that there is good news possibly coming in ahead. Despite all the drama that we've kind of personally been through. I'm a Scorpio moon and Scorpio rising, so we have kind of had a really rough year, y'all. I don't know about y'all. But we have here, it's been a really rough 2022, and to see that there's good fortune coming in, that really excites me. I don't know if there's any other messages that our spirit or angel guides have for us. Let's see if there's any more cards that spirit wants to let us know about for December that are affecting the situation at hand. I don't actually feel. Do one more shuffle. See if there's anything. Any messages from spirit. So there will be an announcement. There'll be good fortune and hopefully a good fortune with whatever that announcement will be. Bottom of the deck is the apple, so temptation will test you. Don't tempt fate, and you're just gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait. That's what this is to me saying. I haven't looked into the book or anything. Like I said, this is the first time I opened this one up, and I'm not sure if... Okay, so it would be nice if there was like pictures of it here. So I'm assuming they're all, yep, in alphabetical order. So we have funnel. I wonder if it says anything else. Lessons to be learned. Funnel. Heaped with grain, stands in the neck of a large stone bottle. It will take a long time to fill the bottle, only as a small amount can go through the funnel at any one time. The farmer has many bottles to fill, and is impatient with the amount of time it is taking. Oh, this symbol indicates that you will go through a period where you will be frustrated because events move slowly, but at the end of this period you will find you have learned valuable lessons which you would not have learned had the events moved faster. Well, I'm a very impatient person, and I hate waiting, but yes, okay, so we just need to know that things are happening for a reason, and they're happening this way, and there are lessons that we're learning in the process of it. So we've got feather, which would be back here. Someone you know is undependable and insincere. A feather blown by the wind comes to rest on the ground next to some dying lilies. The feather tossed by the wind represents the changeable nature of man, and the dying lily signifies the loss of spiritual love. This card forewarns you to be careful about whom you trust. Someone you know will turn out to be undependable or insincere. We have gavel. So we have involvement with the law. A gavel rests in the hand of a judge. This symbol indicates that the querist will have some involvement with the law during the time frame indicated. Check connecting cards to see if the nature of this involvement is revealed. I don't see any kind of revelation. Looks like I gotta wait, or you all gotta wait, whoever has a situation happening in December, maybe involving your marriage or it's affecting your marriage. There's an announcement that's going to be made. I don't see, I would have to pull out my tarot cards to kind of clarify this reading personally. So, and I might do that later. So we got beetle. Good fortune. The largest of beetles, the Goliath beetle, advances along a sun-drenched golden path. The markings of the beetle seem to match the pattern of the cobblestones. This symbol indicates that good fortune will smile upon you during the time frame in which the beetle appears. Check connecting cards to see if the good fortune is general or related to something specific. And then we got the bell announcement. A bell tolls high up in the old stone tower, alerting the people below to gather round and hear some news. The bell indicates that you will soon hear news that will affect your life. However, the symbol does not indicate whether the news will be positive or negative. Check the connecting cards to see if they reveal the nature of the announcement. Well, it came out next to the beetle, so I'm assuming whatever the announcement is going to be good news. So that gives me hope for December. And I guess I'm going to leave it with that. If you've gotten this deck and have used it and really like it, or find some ways that you have been working with it, I would love to hear that in the comments below. I think this is a super fun deck. I don't know that I would actually probably put it in a bag and jumble it all around. I think it's really cool that you can pull the months. I don't do astrology as much as maybe other people. I'm just still kind of tapping into that a little bit. So I think that'd be really cool to do a little bit deeper read throughout the book and see how that affects doing readings and stuff like that. But I think I love how specific it can be where you can have wealth, career, success, love, and happiness. And then that can like help you focus with your tarot reading. You know, like, do you want to ask questions about a marriage incoming, or one that you already have, or asking about your happiness or your love, your success and your career and your wealth. So I think that's like a good thing to like just pull out the card, have it separate, and you know, focus on that. And you could probably put that on your altar, which would be really fun too. I just love them. I think they're really cute. I kind of wish they were slightly bigger, because I have fairly big hands, and so these are kind of small. If they were maybe just a little bit bigger, it might be easier to shuffle. But I think I did okay doing overhand. I definitely think they're way too small, unless you're going to try breaking them up into smaller stacks. But then if you do that, it looks like it'll end up kind of bending and warping your cards. So you're probably best just shuffling them overhand. You know what I'm saying? So maybe you have little hands and it works for you. But I have bigger hands, so anyway. Yeah, thanks for hanging out with me this evening. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and flip through and walk through kind of like a reading for the month of December. We've got some things in the shop on sale on my Etsy. It's Becca's by the Bay. We've got some different mermaids, all different kinds of handmade soaps and things like that. And I've got some soy candles. This one's Marshmallow Fireside, which is really cute. And if you spend $25 or more in my shop, you get free domestic shipping. I do ship worldwide, and I super appreciate everyone who is shopping with us this holiday. I know it's been a rough year. It has been for us too, and there's very I was really excited to get this deck for my birthday. So thank you guys so much for shopping with me. I really, really do appreciate it. And we will see you next time in the next video. So see you next time. Bye.